Hello to everyone! In this video, we would like to demonstrate self-developed application called YML Converter. Why was it created and what is so special about this tool? First of all, our advertisers and their needs helped us to answer these questions and initiate development of YML Converter. Because quite for a long time, we have been working with clients' feeds and the majority of them are created for Yandex Market only. That means they don't have feed for Google Merchant Center or Facebook. To support our clients and strengthen their loyalty, we created an application which turns Yandex feeds into GMC, with all the requirements followed. So we combined our experience and typical mistakes made by advertisers and launched YML Converter. Here we should note that GMC feed and feed for dynamic ads on Facebook have the list of identical tags. Thus, once we converted feed for GMC, we can use it successfully for Facebook as well. So now let's have a look at Facebook requirements, which are obligatory to upload ad campaign. So actually they include such parameters as ID, availability, condition, description, title, price, and so on. And if we compare the GMC feed and its parameters, it will turn out to be the same. So what means that once feed is generated, with the help of the YML converter, it will go through the moderation with almost 100% of success. So in order to understand how the application works, first we'd like to show its interface. In general, it's simple enough. Here you can see the list of our clients. And each of them stores the information about the settings that the converter must comply with every time we generate a feed. In particular, so there is a link to the source from where the app pulls a feed. One of the options can be a source of Yandex Markets in the format of CSV or XML, or it can be any kind of permanent link which is stored on the client's server or on the server of our agency. Let's go further, and below you can see a field such as directory of matching clients categories of UML GMC. What is a custom category? So this term denotes the client's parameters which don't exist in Yandex or Google, and for ad campaign it's important not to lose and to display some of the parameters in ads. So here you can see different tags which are obligatory for systems, for Yandex or for Google or Facebook as well. So among them title, description, price, image link, and others. And below you can add optional tags that vary depending on the business segment of the advertised goods. For example, if we take fashion, then this offer should include such parameters as size, color, what is made of. In order not to lose this information while converting, we can insert it from the tags from Yandex Market feed, and it will be displayed in Yandex Ads. So below you can see Utm Tags. This option is on by the default for those customers who use the difficulties in interpreting the data in Google Analytics and binding different accounts. Thus, this setting is on by the default and could be turned off upon request. So clients write and can track both static and dynamic parameters such as category IDs or offer IDs and so on. So here you can see a goods condition, whether it's new, used, repaired. This option isn't obligatory for Yandex Market feed, but for GMC and Facebook it is. So our advertisers can choose this option here in the interface. So the following setting that you hear below schedule updates. This is a very important option since prices change daily, sometimes several times a day. In our YML Converter, clients can configure updates on a specific time and frequency when the program will pick up the feed from Yandex Market and convert it into GMC. So this setting helps to keep the information about the product relevant and updated. Actually, this feed generation is available on demand or by schedule, so you can set it in the parameters. And clients can have a look at the report on a separate tab. So we can see it here. This report shows when the last conversion was made, if there are any bugs, and what kind of. So here it shows that there are no errors and everything was updated successfully. So actually that is all about the converter. Let's turn now to practice, namely go to Facebook advertising accounts of one of our clients and have a look at ad campaign, which is generated with the help of the UML application. We are in the product catalog of JD customer, and here we can see summary that shows what time was feed extracted from the system, and we see that 149 products were updated and 0 products were rejected. So if you'd like to go to a more detailed report on feeds moderation, you can detect small non-critical errors. In our case, it's small pictures, but these remarks don't refer to the quality of the converter, but to content that provides our client in a feed. So in the Products tab, we can see the preview of the future ad banners. So let's see it right now. Yes, this tab contains the preview of images, its description, titles, prices, and everything that will be displayed on Facebook. So it looks quite nice. In the settings, you can see that, yes, here, in the settings, you can see that the link to GMC feed, which we converted from the UML converter. So that is all actually about the UML converter. We hope you like this video. Thanks for watching us.